How to apply for student finance in Japan. Step-by-step guide for international students. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for student finance in Japan. Applying for student finance in Japan involves several important steps. Here's a detailed guide to help you navigate the process. 1. Check eligibility. Make sure you meet the basic criteria for student finance. Requirements vary depending on whether you are a Japanese citizen or an international student. For international students, must have a student visa, enrolled in a university, graduate school, or specialized training college in Japan. Maintain good academic standing. 2. Choose the type of financial support. Japan Student Services Organization, or JASSO, offers two main types of student loans. Type 1 loan, interest-free, for students with excellent academic performance and financial need. Type 2 loan, with interest, more flexible in eligibility and repayment terms but comes with an interest rate. Other forms of support include scholarships and tuition exemptions offered by various universities and local governments. 3. Gather necessary documents. Prepare the following documents to complete your application. Application form can be downloaded from the JASSO website or university portal. Residence card for international students. Proof of enrollment from your institution, tax certificates or income statements for financial background verification, bank account details for receiving funds, or submit application through your university. Most applicants for JASSO student loans must be submitted through the Student Affairs or Financial Aid Office at your university. Early spring is the main application period, typically between April and May for loans starting in the academic year. Some universities may allow mid-year applications. And before we proceed, in order for your loan to be successful, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. 5. Attend an information session. Optional but recommended. Some universities hold information sessions for students applying for loans and scholarships. These sessions explain the types of aid available, deadlines, and necessary documents. 6. Wait for approval. The processing time can take several weeks to a few months. You'll be notified through your university or directly by JASSO. Approval depends on academic performance, financial need, and the completeness of your application. 7. Loan agreement and disbursement. Once approved, you will be required to sign a loan agreement specifying the terms and conditions. The student finance will be deposited into your bank account on a regular basis, monthly or semester-wise. 8. Repayment plan. After graduation, you will have to start repaying the loan. JASSO offers flexible repayment plans, including income-based repayment options for those with a Type 2 loan. 9. Stay updated on any changes. Keep in contact with your university's financial aid office or JASSO to stay informed about any changes to loan policies or deadlines. And there you have it, a complete guide to unlocking your path to student finance in Japan. Remember, this is just the beginning of an exciting journey. Your dreams are worth every effort you put in. No matter how challenging the road may seem, every step forward brings you closer to the future you envision. Just like the cherry blossoms that bloom after the long winter, your hard work and determination will blossom something beautiful. Keep believing in yourself, because the magic to make your dreams come true is already within you. As one wise saying goes, the best way to predict your future is to create it. Stay positive, stay focused, and let the magic unfold. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering tips. Until next time, keep chasing your dreams and making magic happen.